Today, we're talking about foundation settlement. I know it may sound scary, but we'll break it down in a very simple way. Learning the causes, signs, and solutions can save you from major headaches down the road. What is foundation settlement? It's essentially when the foundation of your home starts to sink because the soil underneath can't support it. When the soil beneath your home changes, it can cause your foundation to sink or settle unevenly. And that's when you start seeing cracks and other problem signs. What causes foundation settlement? There are a few usual suspects. Excess water is one of the most common sources of foundation settlement. Think of the soil like a sponge. When it rains heavily or snow melts, the soil absorbs the water and expands, forming mud and loosening its strength. This can lead to soil erosion and create gaps beneath the foundation. On the flip side, during dry spells, that same soil shrinks and cracks, causing similar problems. Loose soil can also cause foundations to sink and settle. Sometimes, during construction, the soil used to level the ground isn't compacted well enough. Over time, this loosely compacted soil settles under the weight of your house, leading to foundation issues. Trees are thirsty. Their roots can draw moisture from the soil beneath your home, causing it to shrink and potentially leading to foundation settlement. Here are some signs of settlement issues you can usually spot around your house. Cracks in your exterior walls, especially above the doors and windows. These cracks often have a stair-step pattern. Doors and windows sticking or not closing properly. Gaps appearing around window frames or exterior doors. This can also make your heating and energy bills skyrocket, so keep your eyes peeled for gaps. Sloping or uneven floors. You'll definitely notice if your floors have that loose, bouncy feeling, or if the furniture starts wobbling for no reason. A chimney that's leaning or pulling away from the house. If you notice any of these signs, don't panic, but don't ignore them either. Just call Groundworks. We'll come out and do a free inspection to assess the situation and recommend a reliable solution for your home's foundation problems. A sturdy foundation makes for a safe, healthy home. Let our experts take care of you.